Working with 3D landscape rendering in Bryce and dealing with a DRI file containing render settings, these configure how scenes are processed for output. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Bryce renderer information files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky DRI errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. A DRI file stores rendering settings and presets for the Bryce 3D landscape generation software. Users interact with these files to save and load specific configurations for lighting, atmosphere, textures, and camera effects, allowing them to replicate a consistent visual style across different 3D scenes. This is a proprietary binary file designed to store a complex set of rendering parameters efficiently. The binary structure allows the Bryce application to quickly load and apply dozens of settings without the overhead of parsing a text-based format like XML, ensuring performance during scene setup. For full editing functionality, DRI requires Bryce, which is supplied by Days 3D. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows can display config data, though correct use depends heavily on understanding the format. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your DRI file and select Open With. Test Bryce if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. When a DRI file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the DRI problem. First, loading in Bryce. Launch Bryce and access the Render Settings panel typically through the Render menu or Render Queue interface. Use the Import or Load function to apply DRI file settings to your current scene. The render settings update with the configurations from the DRI file, including resolution quality and output options ready for rendering your 3D landscape. Next, examining settings. Open DRI files and text editors to examine render parameters if the format permits. Some Bryce versions may use binary format requiring specialized tools. Understanding render configurations helps diagnose render issues or compare settings across different DRI files. Document settings for reuse across projects, ensuring consistent rendering quality across your Bryce 3D work. Finally, considering alternatives. Bryce has limited active development with DRI 3D maintaining the application minimally. For current 3D landscape work, consider alternatives like Vue Tarragon or Blender with environment plugins providing modern rendering features. Extract rendering concepts from DRI files, documenting preferred settings to recreate an alternative software for ongoing 3D landscape and environment creation projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.